Guys, let's just unpack on news kaloku kuningi ya eMzansi. Ayi, yabona izinto zobukhosi guys manje zihamba ngenye indlela. Yabona indaba King Mrs Zulu, kaZwelithini Zulu. Ayi, it's taking another direction because now he's getting married on this. And boba u2 benomamyeni lo who is coming in to marry him. Basonta esontweni lama Nazareth kaShembe. Ne, so basically umshado uyoba Sunday. And the Zulu Nation is expected to come there. But there's a lot of uncertainty around that cause. Lo muntu lo sashadile. Basushade yena uKing Mrs Zulu kanye noNtokozo kaMayisela Zulu bebeshade civil, right? And then ukuthi lo mshado lo usebenze lo wakhe nomamyeni, it will be, unless they change to customary marriage, yabona, then it will back out. And ngapha uQueen Ntokozo kaMayisela is like they can't marry labo bantu because then umshado wabo will be null and void. Hey, so nje there's a lot going on and it's unsettling basically, even for the Zulu Nation. It's uncertain, they're not sure, they're just like, we've never seen this. Like I said on another video before this one that was talking about our king Uguti. No, it's a lot. You understand that even for the Zulu Nation, like I had said, this is unheard of. It has never been seen. As he has seen big shot up before no using it in how kwenziwa yini ukuthi ashade umuntu ongena intombi nto ofika esayifika nengane nale uyabona ukuthi intsha, ngoba uKing Zwelisini kaZulu ubeyithatha amakhosikazi akhe bewachuza, like you would see in Swaziland how they Eswatini actually how they do it. Emhlangeni kufanele uhambe uyothola umuntu ongakaze athintwe lapho oyintombi nto. The next thing, this is unheard of, but I had said also I don't want to judge because I just feel like there's always a change. Emhlabeni izinto they always changing as fun. It's the same as Bulubedu. I also wanted to talk about that because in Bulubedu, the queen, it has always been a queen who will not also fit marry a man. Manje things are changing. The Rain Queen Angiti passed away years ago, leaving very small children. The last one, the queen, wase umntana wakhe womfana wabamba ebambele the queen lo mncane ukuthi akwazi ukuya esikoleni, because also they had never been educated before. Babsasa bamisa esikoleni the queen to be emncane. She came here in Johannesburg. Masala Nabo is her name. Ukuthi azofunda la routine and be fine, the most expensive school in South Africa, esiku top 5 samantombazane la in Johannesburg in Parktown. Wayiswa lapho waqeda kunawo manje umatric, siqale phansi impi. Ubhuti wakhe uyamlwisa obebambile. Ubathi uclaim ukuthi futhi at the same time no angimlwisi. And kingwanabo mme ngwanu, she is my sister, why ngimlwisa? Nasesibona ku social media ukuthi uzoba queen. But they know that, guys, there's never been a king there over the years. Manje they fighting lo mntwana lo mncane umuntu lo abamlusayo. Mina futhi ngize ngibona ukuthi baze bamthatha esikoleni babemfihla basically, because there's just too much commotion there esidini la Balobedu trying to get themselves a king or a queen, but it has always been a queen, guys. So uyayibona ukuthi lento le ikanjani. And the brother was just talking ukuthi futhi yena uyaxakeka ngoba ngathi Cyril Ramaphosa is president is agreeing to Masala Nabo to be the queen, but bona they were not contacted. Umkhandlu basically met and they were not contacted about that. Kahle he should be the reigning king here. The brother, I was just like, I am done. Listen to it, it's just too much. It's a lot. And then he was clearing up the whole thing. Yena nosisi wakhe they're not necessarily fighting. Usezwa ku social media ukuthi bayalwa. Njobe sithi ke ngwanabo mme ke awuswaka. there is no fight. So King Misizulu Kazulu Singazulu is actually getting married. Qala umkhehlo will be on the 24th on Friday, and then because angithi isonto alivumi ukuthi bashade Saturday. Sunday kubuye kuqedelelwe futhi on the 26th the rest of the wedding. It's 2 days. So Queen Ntokozo kaMayisela Zulu uzama ukuthi awomise lowo mshado in a court interdict that she got from High Court yase Pietermaritzburg ukuthi bangashadi because yena she's married legally. Awukwazi ukuthi ushade, like I said, ukuthi then from civil fanele shintshe kuye kuba customary wedding. Hey, so guys, kuningi. So ngapha ke ikingdom yasebulobedi uKing Likukela Mojaji has been the king, you understand that for now, but Batige is gonna be the king, which is unheard of also this side because angithi the mother passed away in 2005 after she was on the throne from 2003, right? And then at the time they were very young, the latest king and the sister, ne? So the sister couldn't have, been the queen then. I-reign queen ke mesishonile kwalindwa ke all these years ukuthi kuzoba i-queen again. Sebese this time it's going to be the king. Kanjani guys? And apparently the council umkhandlu had to sit down and be like, yeah, he is going to be the king in due time. Uzo begwa esikhundleni. I'm just like, guys, like, why? It's always been the reign queen. What are we doing here? So there's two sections basically ngibeke kanjalo. Khona bathi ayi thina sazi queen, khona bathi no sazi king. But the way it is ngathi 70% is like no, it's the king. Yabona nje lokungazwani impela cha kona akukho right, and it's mostly unsettling for the nation or the kingdom yalapho kuleyo ndawo nje ubona with the Zulus what's going on now and the Balobedu nation. It's also the same thing. It's been a fight again. It's been happening for years. You understand that after the queen passed away. I think she passed away in 2005, 2006 because she passed away 2 years after she was put on the throne. Leaving very young children. They were very, very young. Eh? Yeah, I saw as guys, and you can just tell me your views. Thank you so much for always supporting me in Santa Over. Thank you.